Bonjour, Kinamagi and Ireland Indigenous, and welcome to today's Support Coach episode on our second read of The Road Not Taken and by the Arno. Our skill during the second read is Poetic Structure. You'll notice some highlighted words here, including stanza, which is a group of lines separated by a blank line space. Rhyme, the repetition of sounds at the end of lines. Or rhyme scheme, a consistent pattern of rhymes. So let's begin at the top of the page. Poems are made up of different parts. A line is a group of words in one row. This would be a line right here. Sometimes a line is a complete sentence, but it can be a phrase or even a single word. A stanza is a group of lines separated by a blank line space. The lines and stanzas give a poem its poetic structure or organization. Stanzas build on one another by developing ideas or describing ideas in a new way. Rhyme is the repetition of sounds at the end of lines. Often, poems will have a rhyme scheme or consistent pattern of rhymes. So as I look here, this would be a stanza. This would be a line. You can hear some of the rhyme here: bold and gold, bright and white, poor and door, old and cold. The whole collection again is stanza. So let's read this piece from Buttercups and Daisies by Mary Howitt. Ere the snowdrop peepeth, ere the crocus bold, ere the early primrose opes its paly gold. Somewhere on the sunny bank buttercups are bright, somewhere among the frozen grass peeps the daisy white. Little hardy flowers, like two children poor, playing in their sturdy health by their mother's door. Purple with the north wind, yet alert and bold, fearing not and caring not, though they be a cold. All right, so the words ere, it says in here, means before. Snowdrops, crocuses, and primrose are flowers. What are these stanzas about? How did the stanzas build on one another? Well, it's before the snowdrop peepeth and the crocus bold, before the primrose opes its paly gold, which means opens. So we're talking probably about early in the season, before the early spring. And then afterwards, you get them before they come out, and then they're coming out, and now, even though it's still cold out, they're out, they're colorful, you're getting into spring. That concludes the second read lesson here with Support Coach. You may now return to the Google Classroom for further directions. Mama P.